Alrighty, so what we're going to do today is turn over the soil, but the most important thing I'm going to do is redo the lattice work behind the garden to be able to grow some peas. What do you think about that, Ollie? Think it's a good idea? Yeah, I think I'm ready to go. As I've said before, this soil isn't great. There's a lot of clayey soil here in Adelaide, so what I'm going to do is mix through some potting mix. This will allow it to aerate and do a better job and make the soil a lot better to use for the veggies. So I've got some standard potting mix just from Bunnings, and I'm going to tip it through, mix it through with the shovel, and hey presto, we'll have some better soil. Ollie, over here. Come on. Come. Ollie. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. So for the next stage, I'm going to make a lattice for the peas to grow up along. So I've got some old fencing wire, I've got some stakes, I've got a pair of pliers and a bit of wire, and that's all it's going to take. I'm going to run the stakes through the middle and the edges, and then wrap wire around the stakes so they don't fall over, and keeps Ollie safe, and then we'll put it up against the wall. And then we'll have a lattice. Simple as that. So what I'm going to do is thread the stake through every second part of the wire. Excuse me, Ollie. That way it'll give it enough support, but it's not going to be a nightmare trying to get it through. What are you doing? Finally, what I want to do is Ollie-proof these edges. So I'm going to bend over this wire, try and bend it over as much as I possibly can, lest he has to accidentally scrape himself on. But I am thinking I'm going to have to put up a fence anyway, because he likes to dig, and I think that's going to become an issue very quickly. What you doing? You in your swimming pool? Well, I decided I didn't need the wire because I think it's going to hold itself there with the tension between the bits of fencing. So I can do away with this. But next step is to raise this up and then stick it in the ground. I think what I'm going to do is put it about here. That way, just bring it out a little bit. That way it'll have enough room for the plants to grow in the better soil, because up against that wall I found isn't particularly great. All right, so there we have it. An easy DIY lattice for your peas or any other climbing veggies such as peas, beans, etc. What do you think, Ollie? Good work, buddy. Thanks for your help.